We have already started some questions and we are now at classification questions. Completed some questions of classification and moved towards coding and decoding. For some new students, I am writing in a certain code of language. Mumbai is coded as NVNCBJ. Mumbai is coded as NVNCBJ. Then France will be coded as Then what we have to check, what is the relation between these alphabets with these given alphabets? What is the relation? You have to decode that and then code what is the France. This is the basic concept. What is the relation between Mumbai and NVN CBJ? And then find out the word for France. We'll check what is the relation. We'll check what is the relation. M N U V, next letter M N, next letter B C A B I J, next letter. So for France I will write F G R S A B N O C D and E F. All of you got? Clear? Is it clear for all of you? Yes. In a certain code of language, Mumbai is coded as like this. Then we have to find out what is the code for France. This is the basic concept. Okay. Now we'll see one more question based on this. In a certain code of language, operation, I'm writing operation is coded as NOD QBU JPO. This is written. Operation is coded as NOD QBUJPO. Then what is the letter for invisible? I'm writing here options. Through options you have to find out. OWJJ. Try to find out. Third option is And fifth option is none of these. If there is no relation between the given alphabets and you are not getting the answer from the given option, your answer is none of these. Just try what is the relation between operation and that given NOD QBU JPO. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. One more question to clear the point. I am writing one more question to clear the point. In a certain code of language, now you have to try this question. In a certain code of language, check the relation. SALLU is written as T1MM5. Then AISH will be written as Chalo, without option, just check what is the relation and tell me the answer. Try to find out the logic and tell me the answer. B98. Now I got the first option, that is B98. Just I'm waiting for the others. Chalo, if this can be your answer. If anyone got B94, B94, very good. Now your interaction is very good. Means you are getting, you got the logic. It shows that you got the logic. Vinita has answered and Pallavi also answered. Let the others, if you got the logic, let me know. B96. This can be your answer. I have not given the option, but still we got three options. Only one can be the correct. From these three, let the others what they think, let me know. B96, B98. Okay, what is the logic you are using? What about others? Harsh, Aniket, Pallavi, Prachi. At least try this question. क्या हो सकता है logic? Try to find. Yes, wait. I will wait. Don't worry. Don't worry, I will wait for your answer, but think and tell me the answer. B9TI. अरे अनिकेत, तू एवढा चांगला अभ्यास करतो तर तुला डिफिकल्टी येणारच. डोंट वरी, आय एम रायटिंग नन ऑफ दीज. Okay, now stop thinking. Now we'll move to the correct answer. From these 5 options, there can be only one correct answer. Agreed? Chalo, we'll see the logic. SALLU is written as ST, next letter. A, 1 is written. For L, M is written. For L, M is written. For U, 5 is written. Why 5 is written? Why 1 is written? What is the logic? Why numbers are written over here? Why numbers are written over here? Why numbers are written over here? Alphabet position. Yes, agreed. A is first, but U is not fifth position. And if you are thinking A is here in second position, A is here in second position. Why 1 is written? You will say that in alphabet A is first letter, but why 5 is written at the place of U? Now we'll move towards the logic. U, opposite of F, 6, before E is 5. No, no, no. Not agreed, not agreed. A and U are vowels. A and U both are vowels. A and U both are vowels. A is vowel number 1. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. U is fifth vowel. A is first vowel. Clear? All of you got logic? Now tell me what is the answer. No, not still fourth. For Ash, what is the answer? No, not second. No, not first. No, not B98. Not first. A is first vowel. I is third vowel. S, T, H, I. This is none of these. Your answer is none of these. What is the answer? 1, 3. Pi is the answer. Clear? Yes, very good. Chalo. If it is clear, we'll move to next question. All of you got? Okay. Now, try to solve this question. Take 30 seconds. Friend is coded as HUMJTK. How can candle be written in that code? Try to find out the answer. Try to find out the answer. Take 30 seconds. What is the relation? Friend is coded as HUMJTK. How can be candle be written in that code? Very good, Sonali. If possible, please write the logic. Explain on chat. If possible, please write your explanation. What is the logic? Friend is written as HUMJTK. FGH leaving one letter. RS2 STU leaving two letters. IJKL leaving three letters. EFGHI leaving four letters. And OPQRS leaving five letters. D EFGHIJ leaving six letters. This is the logic. Same, I will write candle leaving one letter. C leaving D is here leaving two letters. BC D N OPQR D EFGHI D EFGHIL MNOPQR EFGHIJKL EDRIRL. Check your answer. Clear है logic सबको? All of you got? Yes, very good. Next question. Take again 30 seconds. Try to solve. Half minute. Try to solve. Try to find out the answer from the given option. What is the logic? Try to find out the answer. Try to find out the answer. Your time is over. Still, I'm waiting for your answer because you will get definitely the logic. Waiting for your answer. Take a screenshot. We'll move ahead. One more for you for the practice.
म्हणजे
Think and tell me what is the answer. In a certain code of language, so S T O V E stove is written as
बरोबर. हा.
FNBLK. FNBLK. Then how you will write votes? One more question. Aniket, Aditya, Harsh, Prachi, Aniket.
टेस्ट लागली का पण तू
There were
जाऊ
some
नको.
queries. You got some queries and you send it to me. I have already given to your maths teacher, that is Rahul, and he will send you. That is on 20th. His exam will complete on 20th. He will send you the answers. But now you try to find out the answer question number 2 and this.
अरे सीईटीचा रिझल्ट लागलाय तुझा, जरा बघायला ये लवकर. तुझ्या मित्राचा फोन आला होता. तुझ्या मित्राचा त्याला नाही, तुझ्या फोनवरती आला होता. रिझल्ट तू ये कुठे नाही.
कोण?
Try to find out the logic or send it me on chat. At least try to find out the logic. FNBLK. FNBLK. Taking same. VOTES. What is S? S is N. What is V? L. What is O? O is B. What is T? Is N. What is E stands for K. T is N. S is F. Sorry. S is F. Take your answer. All of you got the logic. Now think about this. Expecting from dash. Here there are only 8 letters. But in option, here more than 8 letters, more than 8 letters, more than 8 letters, more than 8 letters. All the letters which are in adventures are used here. Using this logic, try to find out the answer for produce. Using this logic, try to find out the answer from this logic. Letters which are in adventures, same letters are here. So Find out the answer for produce. If you got the answer, let me know. If you got the logic, same letters, same letters are here. Let me know what is the answer. If not in the given option, agreed. But tell me what is the logic. Same letters are used. Yes, agreed. None of these. But what is the answer? Agreed. None of these. But what is the answer? We'll come again to this question. Divided in two parts and then match. Agreed. Then tell me what is the answer for produce. So next question. That is on blood relation. Pointing to a man in photograph, woman said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is the woman related to the man in the photograph? Pointing towards a man, a woman said, his brother is the only son. His brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. So what is the relation? How woman related to this man? I have already explained by writing on the board. Now you have to tell me the answer only. Yes. Yes, sister. All of you got? Sister. Answer is sister. Prachi, Aniket, Harsh, Pallavi, Pratiksha, Sonali, Vinita, all of you got? Sister is the answer. Two brothers and one sister. His father and all these three having their grandfather. This person. Agreed? Explain again. Okay. A woman pointed towards a man, said, his brother's father is the only son of his grandfather. Okay, this shows that these three persons, woman and two brothers, grandfather having only one son, means this and this is nothing but same person. So these two persons are brother of each other, and this woman is a sister of these two brothers. The photograph man, the man who is in photograph, is the brother of this woman. It means this woman is a sister of these two brothers, or the person who is in photograph. One more question. I'm writing of coding and decoding. In a certain code of language, now all of you know KBC is there. All of you know what is KBC? In a certain code of language, KBC. What is KBC? What is KBC? Is it कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? KBC is written as जब खेलो. Is written as जब खेलो. Sorry, this is जब खेलो. Then, what is the word for सब खेलो? Options. हम बनेंगे करोड़पति, सब बनेंगे करोड़पति, तुम बनोगे करोड़पति, कोई नहीं बनेगा करोड़पति, एंड फिफ्थ, नन ऑफ दीज. चलो, थिंक एंड टेल मी. दिस इज खेलो. एल है खेलो. Tell me the answer. Try to find out the answer in a certain code of language. KBC is written as jab khelo. Then what is written as sab khelo? Try to find out the answer. Yes, very good, very good. TBC. All of you got TBC? Pratiksha got the answer. Vinita also got the answer. All of you got TBC? You want me to explain? Explain. Okay. Kelo is common. J, K, A, B, B, C, S, T, A, B, B, C. Clear? Kelo is common. J, K, A, B, B, C, S, T, A, B, B, C. This is the logic. Okay, we'll conclude, we'll stop our today's lecture here and we'll continue in next lecture the remaining questions. Good night to all of you and